सर भिडियो अन गर्ने मिल्दैन.
Okay. So class, so now let me show you sample of dictionary. Okay. So now see class, what is this? What is this, Sahil? Can you see this one? Yes, of course. It is what everybody? It is dictionary. Okay. This one is
Dictionary.
English dictionary. Okay, class. So now see everybody. Regarding on dictionary topic, we are going to learn how to pronounce like native American speaker. Okay, and how to pronounce like British native speaker. Okay, so now see everybody, we are from Nepal and Nepali is our mother tongue. So people from England or people from America, they are native. So we are native Nepali speaker, they are native English speaker. Okay, class? So the way we pronounce and the way they pronounce is seems different. Okay, so now in your book different words are given. Okay, class, so that one, how to pronounce, how they pronounce, that one I will teach you in this class. Okay, class, so now see everybody, see another page. Okay, read the dictionary. Yes, read the dictionary entries below and do the activities. Okay, class? So now see everybody, in dictionary also there is given naming word, noun. Okay, and there is given adjective, there is given superlative form of it, and verbs also given there. Okay, class? So now see everybody, according to your book, okay, how the native speaker of America and British they pronounce that one, I will let you know in this class. Okay, class? So now you better see here. Okay, let me rub this one. Okay, yes. So now see everybody, there is one word written there. Okay, this one is G. Yes. Okay, see this everybody, this one is guru. Okay, so now we say guru. Okay, this guru came from where everybody? This word guru came from Sanskrit language. Okay, it came from Sanskrit language. Understood? But see everybody, English dictionary, English speaker and in English dictionary, this word enlisted over there. Okay, this word enlisted means this word we can find in English dictionary even though it's our word, so that they are rich in words, they are rich in meanings. Who are rich? American speaker, I mean in American dictionary and in British dictionary we can see this word. But how the British speaker, how the native British speaker pronounce this word and how the American speaker pronounce this word, I will let you know in this class. Okay, class? So now see everybody, at first let me write. Okay, BR means British. Okay, BR means what everybody? British, England. Okay, having white here. Okay, BRE means British English, native British English. Okay, class? So now how the British people they pronounce this word, let me tell and write also. Okay, see everybody, guru dot dot. Okay, and see everybody, this dot dot meaning also I will let you know in this class. Okay, class? So now you can see here also. Wait a second. Okay, so now see everybody, look at here. Okay, British English, guru. So in Nepali, what is there everybody? In Nepali there is rasoikar, dilkoikar. Okay, in English there is same. Okay, class? So now see everybody, how the British people enlisted our word and how they pronounce in this class I will let you know how the American native speaker pronounce and how the British English speaker pronounce this word in different way. I will let you know. Okay? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, class. So now see. Okay. So now see everybody, look at here, okay? Yes. British English guru. In Nepali, see everybody, in Nepali there is Raso Ikar, Dilko Ikar. Okay, okay. So now see everybody, look at here, okay? Likewise, in English also, this dot dot means we have to pronounce. What everybody? We have to pronounce for long time, okay? So how British people, they pronounce this word, listen to me. See everybody, are you seeing this? Guru. Guru, okay?
Sir, Buddha Ali Gadi got me.
Yes, everybody say guru.
Sir, we can see.
Okay? So now see everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Don't speak Nepali, okay? How we have to pronounce this one, everybody? You pronounce G-U-R-U, guru. You pronounce like this. But British speaker, they say guru. Okay? Guru. Can you say guru? Guru. G-O-U. See everybody? G-O-U-R dot U. Okay? Guru. Hey guru, they pronounce like this. Hey guru. Okay?
What are they saying?
Please speak English. Okay. Right now, please speak English.
sir, we are not
After
seeing
teaching
word.
this one, you can speak lots of Nepali with me. No, don't stop. Please, please. Okay. So now see everybody.
Sir, okay. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you just turn the board?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, the board is not visible, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir, it's not fine.
Okay. So now see here, I will write here, okay? Write down. See here everybody, how to pronounce this one? G-U-O-R dot R-O-U, Guru. Okay? Guru. British people pronounce like Guru. Okay? They say, hi Guru. They pronounce like this. Okay, class? So now see everybody, and this same word, how American native speaker pronounce this word, I will let you know in this class. Okay? So now see everybody, B-R-E means British English. Okay? So same word, this one is noun. Okay? Noun, and it represents teacher. Okay? So now see everybody, how American they pronounce this word. Where is that? Okay, yes. So now see everybody, for same word, they pronounce like this. See? Guru. Okay? American people, they pronounce like guru. Okay, class? Guru. But British people, they pronounce like guru. Okay, class? Guru and guru. American people, they say guru. But England people, British people, they say guru. Okay, see? Guru. Okay, class? So there is pronunciation different between American English speaker and British English speaker. Okay, class? So now see everybody, this is about the noun. See, guru means, yes, we say guru, isn't it? So it comes from Sanskrit language. So for this word, British people, they pronounce differently, and American people, they pronounce differently. Okay, class? So now see everybody, see, let me tell you again. Guru, see everybody, British people say guru. Okay, guru. Can you say guru, class? Can you say?
Guru.
Yes, guru.
Guru.
Yes, guru. Okay, and yes, and American people say guru. Class, can you say guru? Say guru. Repeat me. Guru.
Guru.
Yes,
Guru.
yes, G-O-O. G-O-O. G-R-O-O. Ru. Guru. Okay, American people say, hi guru. They say like this. Okay. So now see everybody, this one is noun. So how American speaker they pronounce and how British speaker they pronounce, I told you. So now I'm going to drop and I'm going to show another example. Be like this. After this, in advance, if you remain silent like this, I will tell you one joke. Okay? Yes.
Okay, sir.
And at last, I will ask you what you understand in that time. Please, you can do. Okay? Right now, please don't disturb. Okay? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, let me write another meaning. Okay? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now see this word everybody. What is this? This is mastery. We say yes, we are not native speaker. That means our language is Nepali. So we are not from that community. So how we pronounce everybody? According to our Nepali English, we pronounce mastery. But the actual pronounce, how British pronounce this word and how American pronounce this word, I will tell you in this class. How different speaker, different native speaker, they pronounce this word, I will let you know, and how we Nepali pronounce this word, I will let you know in this class. Okay? Sit here now. Yes. Okay, class. So now see everybody. BRE, British English. British English, how they pronounce everybody? See here, okay? Ma dot STR*E. Okay? How they pronounce everybody? See there? Ma story. Okay, class? Ma story. How can you pronounce ma story? Ma story.
Mastery.
Yes, ma.
Ma story.
Yes, pronounce this like, okay, everybody, you have to pronounce fast. Ma.
Mastery.
Yes. You
Mastery.
have to speak like, see everybody, we pronounce mastery because we are not native speaker. We are not born over there. We are born in Himalayan. On the lap of Himalayan, we born. Okay. So we are from Nepal. We say mastery. But how British, they pronounce this word, see. Mastery. Say mastery. Can you say mastery?
Mastery.
Yes, mastery.
Mastery.
Yes, mastery. Say mastery. E.
Mastery.
Yes, you have to say E, okay? Mastery.
Mastery.
Yes, mastery.
Mastery.
Oh,
Mastery.
yes. In this way, see everybody, I write M-A-Ma,
Mastery.
yeah, dot S-T-R-E-E, mastery. Can you pronounce like this? Mastery. Mastery, okay? So now, same again, I will let you know how American speaker, they pronounce this word. Okay, class? So now see.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So American people, they pronounce like M-A-A, ma, okay? This one is ma, M-A, ma, okay? This one is ma, okay? M-A-A, ma. Ma, S-T-U-S, stars, re. Ma, yes, mastery. See? See everybody, this one is
Mastery. Mastery.
mastery, mastery, okay? Mastery. Can you say mastery? Okay? Mastery.
Mastery.
Yes, mastery. Mastery.
Mastery.
Mastery.
Mastery.
Mastery. Mastery. Mastery. Can you say mastery? Okay. So
Mastery.
see everybody, yes, American people, they also have white hair, and British people, they also have white hair. If they are brought from Africa, then after I can say nothing for that condition, okay? So in America, there we can find Hopsy also, okay? Nigger. Okay, class? So see everybody, yes, England is an actual place where English language originated, okay, class? So now see everybody, see how in America there are English speakers, they speak English in different way, okay? And British, if you listen to British, BBS, CNN, it will be harder to understand whatever they are saying. Okay. So now see everybody, look at the here. Okay.
Sir.
Now see everybody, let me write another meaning. Okay class, this one is, see everybody, this one is American English. Okay. British English, my story, mystery. See difference. So now class, may I rub this and write another one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I see. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Wait a second. So now I am going to write another word. Okay. Yes. See everybody, what is this? My boy, my good boy, Sambo, one of the Superman. Can you pronounce this word? Thirs. Yes, thirsty. Okay, so yes, Sangbo is a boy. Okay, he is a real hero.
Sir.
Okay, so now Sangbo, my boy, can you pronounce this word?
Thirsty.
Thirsty. Okay, see everybody, we Nepali people say thirsty. Thirst. Why thirsty? Sir, I'm thirsty. I want to drink water. Nepali, we speak like this. Even Indian also. Chinese say thirsty. They according to their sound, they speak like this. Okay. So now see everybody. Let me know how British pronounce and how American speaker pronounce. Let me tell you this one also. Okay, class? Please don't speak. Mute yourself. For the sake of God, please mute yourself. Let me finish my words. Okay. I beg your pardon. I'm going to give you 1,000 laddu if you remain silent. So now see. Okay. This one is American English. Okay, see this one. How American they pronounce this word. Third, see everybody. Third. T. Okay, everybody see. Third, yes. Third is tree. Thirsty. Okay. American speaker they speak. They pronounce like th. See everybody. Third is tree. Okay? STEE is tree. Thirsty. Americans say, I'm thirsty. Hey, my girl, can you provide me a cup of water? I'm thirsty. Who pronounce this like American speaker pronounce